Guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit a check on Cash App. So it's really easy and simple. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to actually open up Cash App. So you want to open up your app on your phone, and then what you want to guys do is once you open up Cash App, you basically want to come here at the bottom left and you want to tap on this bank icon. It's basically the icon that looks like a building with pillars outside. So it's in this bottom left corner of your screen. Click on this, and then guys, you're going to get a bunch of different options. So what you want to do guys is you want to scroll down and click on checks. Okay, tap on checks. So basically the checks option allow you to scan paper checks into your account using your phone. Okay, so make sure in your settings you have actually allowed Cash App permissions to access your camera. Then guys, what it's going to do is going to prompt you to enter the check amount. So you want to enter the amount of the check. So using the keypad on your screen, you want to enter the amount that the check is in. Then what you want to do is click on confirm amount to actually continue. Then guys, what you want to do is you want to confirm the front of the check and just tap on confirm front of check. So to confirm it, you just want to tap on, the check, you know, tap on this checkbox. So next to the check is written correctly. So if your check matches with the example on your screen, you can do that. And what you want to do next, guys, is you want to actually also confirm the back of the check and just tap on confirm back of check. So to confirm it, you also want to just tap on this checkbox right here next to the check is written correctly if your check actually matches the example on your screen, guys. And then basically what you want to do is you want to just tap on, take photo next to the front. Okay, click on tap take photo. So this will open your phone's camera so you can take a photo to actually scan the check. The way you want to do guys is you want to use the grids on your screen to line up the photo of your check. Okay, make sure you line everything up to the photo of your check, and Cash App will automatically take a picture of that check when it is clear and acceptable. Make sure actually guys you're using a dark background. And then next guys, what you want to do is you want to also do this for the back. So you want to tap right here on take photo for the back as well. All right. So this will open up your phone's camera again, and Cash App will automatically take a photo of the back of the check as soon as it is clear and easy to read, guys. After you're done with all this, guys, all you want to do is click on submit. So you'll see how much the check is worth. It's displayed here as well as some disclaimer that your money will not be available until it actually deposits, which usually, guys, it takes about 3 to 4 business days. So, guys, it was literally that easy and simple. If this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you're still having trouble. I'll try to help you out in the comments as well. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.